Hey guys, it's me, Apple Tree, recording.
And Dad.
And we have a viewer, which is our neighbor. He sent us this big box of baseball cards, and we're going to open up some tonight.
Yeah, Scott, actually, our neighbor is his name. He actually gifted us his baseball card collection from when he was a kid. Peek there. And so Apple Tree here is going to choose which one we're going to do. This was obviously the complete set, so everyone knows what's in that, so we're not going to go through it. Even though, yeah, let's put that to the side there. That's good. All right. All right. Which one are we going to go first?
I think I want to do the auditions one.
Okay. So all the way here. Alright. Alright, so what we got here looks like just a single row. Let's see here. What's the top one here? Where is that? 83 tops. So I have 83 tops, and it looks like there's a 83 Fleer in here. So we're just going to grab a stack here. Alright. Alright. Let's do it. Now, Scott said that these were mostly from the mid-70s to mid-80s, so we're going late vintage to early junk wax era.
Nice. All right. We got Lou Piniella.
Pinella.
Pinella. Major Jerry Coleman.
The Padres team.
Jesus Figueroa. Ivan De Jesus. Ellis Valentine. Jerry White. Andre Dawson.
The Hawk.
John DeQuisto. Warren Cromartie. Jose Cruz.
Let's see, what year is that? That's the 80... No, the 78 tops.
Nice.
Okay.
Joaquin Andujar. Andujar. Sorry. Phil Necro.
Oh,
Autograph John Lowenstein.
No, it's not autograph. They call lithographs. That's just their personal one, and they just printed it on every card.
I thought so.
That's the
Al Bumbry.
This is the 82 tops.
Alright. That's Mike Flanagan. Steve Stone. Gary Roenick, looking accomplished. Terry Crowley. John Tudor. Getting traumatized there.
He looks like he's 1,000-yard stare there.
Tom Brueggemann, looking very disgusted. Dave Stapleton. Tony Perez. Rich Jedman. Connie Lansford. Rick Miller. Bill Campbell. Lynn Jones. Dan Petrie. Rich Hebner. Pat Underwood. Steve Kemp and Dan Petrie. Louis Salazar and Juan Eichelberger. Larry Bittner. Tom Hume. George Foster. Larry Bittner again. Bob Baylor. Rod Gardenhire. Terry Leach. Tim Leary. Alex Trevino. Mike Scott. Greg Harris. Rusty Staub. Doug Flynn. Ray Searage. Ron Gardenhire. Terry Leach. Tim Leary. Lee Mazzilli. And Dave Engel again.
All right. Nice here. Okay. Let's see what this stack will give us here.
Dad's turn.
Take over the chair here. All right. Let's see. First up, we got Frank Viola on the 83 Fleer. Okay. Got Gaylord Perry. Super veteran. Looks like on the 84 Topps with Jim Palmer. Mike Schmidt. There you go. That's nice, Mike. Got Reggie Smith. Got Terrific Tom. Got Reggie Jackson. Must Kill the Queen. Oop. We got the Goose. Goose Gossage. Alright, let's see who we got here on this 87 rookie. Got Sweet Lou Whitaker. Nice. Dave Oliver.
That's pretty good.
Garth York and Sam Perlozzo. Got Larry Anderson, Tom Jones, Blackjack Morris, and Mickey Mahler. Very nice. And we'll put Blackjack over here. And Sweet Lou. Why not? We got Keith Hernandez for you Seinfeld watching fans. We got, of course, Nolan Ryan for the pitching leader. Art Howe. Got Eddie Murray and Sammy Stewart looking surprisingly sad. He usually has a huge smile on his face. We got Jerry Mumphrey and Tommy Herr for the Yankees leaders. We got Milt May and Vida Blue for the Giants. We got George Brett and Larry Guerrero. George is actually smiling in that picture instead of charging at an umpire. We got Bruce Sutter and his beard and Raleigh Fingers with his mustache. 81 victory leaders. Terrific Tom. We got El Presidente, Danny Martinez. We got Blackjack Morris, Pete Vukovich, and Steve McCaddy. Pretty nice, too. We got strikeout leaders. Fernando Valenzuela, of course, and Len Barker. ERA leaders, we got Rick Sutcliffe and Steve Rogers. Oakland A's, batting, pitching, Ricky. Ricky likes that card. And Rick Langford. And, of course, we always have to have Eddie Murray and Jim Palmer for leaders. Got Jim Rice and Bob Stanley for the Red Sox. And we got 2 out of 3 Hall of Famers. We got George Brett, Rob Carew, and Cecil Cooper. Steve Carlton in the middle, Nolan Ryan, and Terrific Tom. AL career strikeout leaders. All right, now we are to the some 78 tops right here. Sparky Lyle. And to 82 Fleer. We got Jim Catfish Hunter. We got Bill Gulkson. Got Bobby Bonds. Not Barry, but Bobby. We got a Ricky. 4th year Ricky. Ricky likes that card, so we'll put Ricky up here. Got Reggie Smith. Dave Lopes. Tim Raines. He's a Hall of Famer. Another Tim Raines. We got Cobra, Dave Parker. He's a Hall of Famer now, too. The Dave Parker All-Star. Pops Willie Stargell. Nice. Looks nice. Got Bill Madlick. Joe Morgan. Nice. Steve Carlton. He's a Hall of Famer. Got Mike Schmidt, another Hall of Famer. Put him up here. Got Manny Mota on the 78 tops. Got Gary Maddox, Keith Hernandez. Got Steve Garvey for your underwear fans. Fernando Valenzuela again on the base. Got Ken Griffey Sr., not Jr. Got another Terrific Tom. Got Chris Chambliss. Another Chris Chambliss in action. We got a Nolan Ryan in action.
Pretty good.
That's nice. Got Steve Eager, Rick Sutcliffe. Got Ron Guidry, Steve Carlton, Gary Carter, he's a Hall of Famer too. And Robin Yount, another Hall of Famer.
Pretty good too.
Garth York on the 83 Donruss, and Jerry Remy on the 83 Donruss.
My turn.
Yep. All right. All right.
And here we go.
Grab another stack here.
Add on to the growing pile. Okay.
So, 83 Donruss there.
Right. Bill Alman. Terry Leach looking traumatized. Jerry Howell looking disappointed. Ed Farmer looking determined. Same for Bob Kearney. Oops. Matt Guante. Matt Kioff. Tim Kern. Rick Bossetti for the Blue Jays.
No.
What's this?
You got his top sticker, Carlton Fisk.
Oh, nice.
And 82 top sticker. Nice.
Wow. Oh, is that like an actual sticker?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
We got Tim Crabtree.
On the 96
Very
Fleer,
shiny name.
It's random on the 96 Fleer.
Greg Coleman.
Hey, we got some
Vikings.
foosball.
Got Rick Bryan.
86. 86 tops.
John Turner. Gary Anderson. John Tamargo.
And back to baseball.
Julio Cruz. Dave Roberts. Jim Bietti. Byron McLaughlin. Larry Milbourne. Juan Benaquiz. Jim Anderson. Barry Foote. Ron Ronick. Oh,
No.
some other
Sticking.
cards there. Steve Ho. Barry Foote. Rudy May. Rick Ruschel. Dave Revering. Jerry Mumphrey. And that's it for me for now. It's Dad's turn again.
Yep. All right. Let's run another stack here. We'll go through it. I want to thank Scott again for doing this for us. That's really cool, you Scott. We really appreciate this. All right, start with the 83 again. 82 again, sorry. Gene Nelson. George Frazier. We got some future stars. Steve Bye-Bye Balboni. Andy McGaffin and Andy Robertson. Kurt Bevacqua. Never heard of him. William Montez. Jim Bibby. Bill Robinson. Matt Alexander. Got Victor Cruz. Don Robinson. Tim Foley. Dale Berra. Mike Easler. Rudy Solomon. Omar Moreno. Rick Dempsey. John Lowenstein. Oh, got some sticking behind old John here. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's just Ken Singleton. Got Gary Maddox on the 83 tops. Dave LaRoche. We got 81 Donruss, Kent Tecove. Enrique Romo. Mike Jorgensen. Pat Zachary. Bob Watson. Back to 83 or 81 Donruss here. John Lowenstein. Paul Mitchell. Larry Cox. Larry Hernan. Brian Asselstein. Dave Collins. Now we're to the 82 Donruss with Wayne Gross. Got a Mickey Klutz. Mike Heath. Back to tops. Bob Boone. Ken Clay. Joe Simpson. Glenn Abbott. Dick Drago. Brian Allard. Larry Anderson. Floyd Bannister. Jim Beattie. Jim Anderson. Gary Gray. Bob Babcock. Joe Matlick. Jim Sundberg. George Medich. Steve Calmer. Charlie Huff, the immortal Charlie Huff. Already pitching 11 years at that point. John Henry Johnson, which is a ridiculous name. Buddy Bell, who looks 80 when he is only 35. Al Hollard and Milt May.
My turn again. All right. What do we have next?
Looks like we got some more 82 tops.
Nice. All right. Starting off strong, we got Greg Minton, Alan Ripley, Enos Cabell, Joe Patini, Billy Smith, Don Ace, looking very puzzled, Bert Campaneros, California Angels. I'll pause then, take a look at it. You can. Ron Pruitt, Pete Lecoq, Willie Aikens, Larry McWilliams, Al Raboski, Brian Asseltine, Larry McWilliams, Gene Garber, Bruce Benedict, Bob Horner, Rick Mahler, Rupert Jones, Bill Russell, Ron Say, or K, sorry Ron. Right. Phil Gardner, looking impressed. Danny Walling, Louis Pujols, Craig Reynolds, Joe Pittman, and Tony Scott.
All right. Some more here. Go through these pretty quick. All right. More tops here. All right. Let's start with Joe Sambito. Some Dick Thong here. Randy Bass.
Yeah.
John Littlefield. Julio Gonzalez.
You want some food?
John Martin. Mark Little. Bob Shirley. Darryl Porter. Rocking them Coke bottle glasses there. Ken Oberkfell. Stan Pappy. Greg Gross. Ramon Aviles. Keith Moreland. Warren Brewstar. Marty Bryston. Dale Unser. Great cut job there. Lonnie Smith. And we got some veterans. We got another Goose. We got Dale Murphy, who should be in the Hall of Fame. Got Larry Christensen. Bake McBride. Dickie Knowles. Dick Ruthven. Tim Lawler. Paul Moskow. Joe Price. Mike Lacoste. Charlie Liebrant. I'm switching to 70. Nope. 80. Freddie Scott. Ron Oster. Frank Pastore. Tito Landrum. And finally on this one, Steve Dillard. Right, he's in pretty good shape for being in a shoebox for 60 years. No, 40 years? 50 years.
Nice. We have Joe Strain, Leon Durham, Dick Tidwell, Mike Krugerl, Joe Strain, Leon Durham, Jody Davis, Ken Rates. He won batting pitching leaders, Bill Buckner and Randy Martz. Chicago Cubs future stars, Jay Howell, Carlos Lexano, and Ty Waller.
None of them turned out to be stars. And the same.
Look at that. Same thing.
Yep.
Right?
Yes,
Yeah, thought so.
Mm-hmm.
Expos, Warren Cromartie, sorry Warren, Larry Parrish, Dan Briggs, John Milner, Mike Phillips, Bill Lee, Woody Fryman, cousin of ours, Steve Rogers, Terry Francona, Brad Mills, and Brent Smith.
Let's put Terry here. And put Woody front center here.
Terry Francona, Brad Mills, and Brent Smith. Exposed Bill Gullickson.
There's another
Woody Fryman again, pretty nice. Bo Diaz. And Mookie Wilson.
Go Mookie Wilson.
First, let's have a kitty break. This is Oscar. Oscar, let's have the camera.
Let's do another pinch here. Alright. Let's keep going with the tops thing here. Got Alice Valentine, Frank Tavares, John Stearns, Neil Allen, back to 81, Warren Cromartie. We got Tony Gwynn, second year Tony Gwynn. Nice corners too. We'll put Tony right here. We got Donnie Baseball on the 89 Dominus. We got Tigers team. J.R. Richard, Chris Welch. We got Bob Brenly, Chili Davis, and Bob Tufts. The Chili was pretty good. Got Jim Wolford. Looking very uncomfortable. Johnny LeMaster. Got Yankees leaders on the 87 tops. Or excuse me, 88 tops. Got Ron LaFleur. Got Jerry Royster. Mario Soto. Glenn Burke. Phil Negro. The Negro Brothers. Got Tim Raines, a young Tim Raines. 1, 2, 3, fourth year. Got John Milner, Jose Morales, John Verhoeven, Mickey Klutz. Yes, who's the future stars? Rich Bordry, Mark Bodaska, and Calvin Moore. Household names. Got Matt Keogh, Steve McCaddy, Mike Davis, Bob Ochinko, Larry Boa, Ron Reed, Sparky Lyle, and we're going to finish up with some future Orioles stars that weren't really stars: Mark Corey, Dave Ford, and Wayne Krensky. All right. On to the next.
Okay. Almost done.
Oh no, Pops.
What
The stars will, oh no.
Oh man, what happened?
All right.
What really though, what happened?
Yeah. Got some gunk on him.
Last cards, we have Randy Neiman.
Yeah, we got an Eddie Murray.
Eddie Murray, that's pretty nice. Terry Crowley. Scott McGregor. Future stars for the Marinos: Charlie Beeman, Ronnie Grigg, and Rafael Vazquez. What? Gary Maddox.
Wow, that is a
Nice afro.
and some nice chops too.
Sammy Stewart. The Expos. Williams. Again, pause that if you want to look at that.
Yeah, what year is that?
Let's see here.
Yeah, Woody's on there somewhere. So
Nice.
put it with Woody's.
Yep, nice. Mickey Rivers. No, forgot to read this one. Richie Zisk. Mickey Rivers. Rob Andrews.
What year is that? 77.
Nice. This is some vintage stuff. Bruce Bosch. Rudy May. So, there's some stickers.
Got a Dodger sticker.
Yeah, man.
And
Dale Murphy and Phil Necro.
Nice. That's a good way to end
Thank
it.
you all for watching.
Thank you, Scott, once again.
Yeah, thanks, Scott.
And this is part 1 of probably 3, because we got one more big box and looks like some
Rack packs or something
no,
in there.
no, just pages with
In there.
some loose sausage, and from what I can tell.
Show them a sneak peek.
Yeah,
First. Never mind.
Alright, yeah, looks like some loose pages and another. Looks like we got some Michael Jordan stuff in there. We got a nice big shoebox with 1, 2, 3, 4 little rows here. And that'll probably be the next one. So until then, thanks for watching, guys, and we really appreciate every view and like. And have a good night.
Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. Like and subscribe if you like this content, please.